Hello, knowledge seekers. My name is Niharika, and welcome back to my channel Learnoji, where you can learn just by listening. Before we dive into today's main topic, let's see if you could answer these simple questions. Why did Mickey go to space? Answer is to find Pluto. Okay, now coming to a serious question. Do you know what is an undiscovered planet called? Okay, even if you don't know, don't worry. Nobody knows because it hasn't been discovered yet. Okay, now that we have got a bit of humor, let us jump right into the exploration of the planets in our very own solar system. We are going to look at some of the fascinating facts about them. We are also going to delve into the quirky and mysterious nicknames given to these planets. Buckle up to discover the planets of our solar system. Our first stop takes us to the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury. It is the smallest planet of our solar system. On this planet, temperatures during the days can reach up to 430 degrees Celsius, and at nights it can be as low as minus 180 degrees Celsius. This extreme temperature variation is due to two reasons. One, due to very thin layer of atmosphere which is almost like vacuum. 2, it is very close to the sun. Mercury is called the swift planet as it is the fastest moving planet of our solar system. It takes just 88 days to complete a revolution around the sun, and it completes its rotation in around 58 Earth days. Now let's take a look at Venus, which is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to similarity in size. It is the nearest planet to us. Venus has a dense toxic atmosphere, mostly composed of carbon dioxide. This leads to the scorching surface temperatures and runaway greenhouse effect due to trapped heat. A runaway greenhouse effect occurs when the planet's atmosphere contains greenhouse gas in an amount sufficient to block the thermal radiation from leaving the planet. This results in an uncontrolled heating up of a planet's surface. It causes rapid evaporation of its water bodies like oceans to be converted into steam, making the planet inhospitable. So it is the hottest planet of our solar system. For this reason, Venus is also known as the Earth's evil twin. Its highly reflective atmosphere and proximity to the Sun makes it the brightest planet of our solar system. You might have heard of Venus being called the morning and the evening star, but do you know the reason behind it? This is because it is closer than other stars in our solar system, so the planet appears brighter than other stars. And it is the first bright thing to be visible after the sunset and first to disappear after the sunrise. By the way, Venus is brighter than pole star, but full moon is 2000 times brighter than Venus. It is the slowest rotating planet. It takes 243 Earth days to complete a single rotation and takes 255 days to orbit around the sun, which means a day on Venus is longer than a year on this planet. Unlike other planets, Venus and Uranus rotates from east to west, that is in clockwise direction. Now coming to the only known planet to support life, which is none other than our Mother Earth. Thanks to its ideal conditions for the existence of diverse range of ecosystems. It has a relatively thin atmosphere dominated by nitrogen and oxygen essential for sustaining life. It is the densest planet of our solar system. Over 70% of the Earth's surface is composed of water. Due to the abundance of water on the planet, it produces a vivid blue color when viewed from the space. So it's called the blue planet. We will be discussing more about our planet Earth in detail in upcoming videos. Now we venture into the next planet, Mars, a place where we have always been curious about. It is the only planet where we have sent rovers to explore. You probably might have heard of it being called the red planet, but do you know the reason behind it? It is because of its rusty red appearance caused by the iron oxide, that is the rust on its surface. It has the presence of the largest volcano in our solar system, called the Olympus Mons. It is around 22.5 kilometers tall. It also has the deepest canyon called the Valles Marineris. Canyon, Canyon, is usually defined as a deep valley with steep sides, often the stream flowing through it. By the way, human missions to Mars are expected to take place in the mid 2030s. Till now, we have known about the inner planets, which are also known as the terrestrial planets due to their rocky surface. Moving on, we find ourselves in the realm of the outer planets, also called the gas giants. None is more majestic than Jupiter. It can fit around 1,000 Earths inside it, and due to its immense size, it protects the inner planets from potential threats like asteroids. Due to this reason, it is known as the guardian of our solar system. It is also the fastest rotating planet. It completes its rotation in just 10 hours. Did you ever observe a red spot on the Jupiter's image? It is the massive storm known as the Great Red Spot, which has been raging for at least 350 years. Our next destination is the ring wonder, Saturn. It is sometimes called the jewel of our solar system because of its stunning ring system, which is made up of ice particles and rock debris. Saturn, which was once known to have 83 natural satellites, is now the planet with maximum number of natural satellites. It has around 146 known moons. Titan, one of Saturn's moons, is the largest moon in our solar system. Next, we have the ice giant planet Uranus. It is the oddest planet of our solar system as it rotates on its side. It spins at a nearly 98-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. This unique tilt makes Uranus appear to rotate on its side. It is sometimes referred to by its nickname Bullseye Planet as it appears like a bullseye on target with its system of thin, faint vertical rings. As mentioned earlier, like Venus, it also rotates in the clockwise direction, that is from east to west. Uranus has a blue-green coloration due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Our final stop takes us to Neptune, which is often known as Blue Giant or Blue Voyage. This coldest planet is known for its striking blue color because of presence of methane. Neptune bears nicknames like Badge of Honor and Planet of Illusion. As Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, it is obvious that it takes the longest to complete one revolution. But do you know how long does it take? It takes 165 Earth years to orbit around the Sun. As we venture into the outer reaches, we come across the dwarf planet Pluto, which was once considered the ninth planet of our solar system. If you want to know why it has been reclassified as dwarf planet, please check the video on solar system, which has been linked in the description box. By the way, Pluto has a very cute nickname, Lonely Ice Dwarf. Our solar system is not just a collection of planets and other celestial bodies. It's a gallery of fascinating stories, signs, and nicknames that reveal the mysteries of our celestial neighbors, whether it's the rusty charm of Mars, or the grandeur of Jupiter, or the icy mystery of Neptune. Each nickname adds a layer of intrigue to our understanding of these distant worlds. Our understanding of these planets is continuously evolving as new discoveries are made through space exploration and scientific research. That's all for today. If you want to know more about our universe and solar system, the links are provided in the description box below. If you found this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learnoji, where you can improve your general knowledge just by listening. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe. Bye-bye.